Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you an AI site that I'm literally obsessed with. You can create and edit everything from photos to videos here. So, without further ado, let's dive in and check out the site and its brand new model. And here it is, Higgsfield.ai. Just look at this homepage. There are so many tools. Video generation models, photo editing, you name it. Here are the most popular apps and the coolest effects. Everything looks amazing. As you scroll down, you can see how rich the content and features really are. Accessing these apps is super easy. Check this out. In the image section, you'll find everything you need for creation and editing, especially Nano Banana Pro. It creates 4K quality images that are insane. And guess what? You can even generate 2,000 images without spending any credits. Want to know how? For this, you need to be an Ultimate member. I'll explain exactly how to do it in a bit. Now, let's head back to the homepage. Let's look at the video section. There are so many AI models here. I wish I could talk about all of them, but we'd be here forever. The star of the show today is this one, Kling 2.6 audio. Let's see what this beauty can do.
Further.
Did you see that? The natural sound and smooth video are just incredible. I found a few more stunning clips. Let's take a quick look at those too.
These are the bomb!
Actually, Jimmy, it's just basic ingredients.
Feastables, you are an artist!
They are better than Hershey's.
They're all so good. So let's see how to actually use it. You can pick ready-made templates or styles you like to create something similar. I'm going to leave the general section selected for now. You can upload a reference image here, but I'll skip that for now. This is the prompt area. Let's type it in. This part is super important. Make sure you toggle the audio switch to get sound. Kling 2.6 is selected. I'll set the duration to 10 seconds and click Generate. While the video is cooking, let's go back to Nano Banana Pro. If you've grabbed the Ultimate package, just click on Nano Banana Pro in the image section. You can see the images I generated for free earlier. Enter the prompt, select the model, and pick your aspect ratio. From here, choose 2K resolution. Remember, 4K uses credits. Pick the number of images and, this is the key, make sure Unlimited is turned on. If you have the Ultimate pack, you can now generate unlimited 2K images. How cool is that? Okay, let's head back to our video. It's done. Let's see what we got.
Get ready. This is the moment. Let the race begin.
Wow, that's amazing. Way better than I expected. Did you notice how natural the audio sounds? I want to try the same prompt on a photo. I'll pick one of my previous images, use the same settings, and hit Generate again. Let's check the results together. And the video is ready. Let's take a look.
Get ready. The race is about to get.
It's gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Honestly, I don't know any other site that offers this quality of video and audio for such a good price. Looking at the Cyber Week deals, I can safely say Higgsfield.ai is the best bang for your buck. Now, let's create the rest of our videos. Since these steps are the same, I'll just speed through this part. All right, all videos are done. Before we see the final results, remember, if you get the ultimate package from the pricing section, you can create stunning videos like these too. Now, I'll leave you with the video I made using Kling 2.6 audio. Love you guys. Don't forget to follow my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!
Get ready. This is the moment. Let the race begin.
Now we take the city.
But then,